This website this website has few issues in a responsive device, and this website is not compatible and not professional for mobile devices. Let me show you. But first, see how it is looking in desktop device and desktop computer. So looking nice, but they can keep a back to top button here, but there is no back to top button. Anyway, let's check this page in mobile device. Now let's check this page in mobile device, how it is looking in mobile device. Now I am going to mobile device and selecting a mobile device. After selecting, I am refreshing the page again. So we will check. So we are here. We are so when the drop down menu is open, they can keep a close button here so that it show the menu. While we will click on the close button, the menu will close. Okay, so this is showing this is a drop down menu and it has subcategories like this, but they don't keep any icon here. They keep icon in the individual menus, but we need to keep icon here to show that this is a drop down menu and it has so other menus for subcategories, like, but they keep the icons here in the individual menus. Anyway, this is the page I am visiting. So in this page, you see I'm showing only letters on the space, but not the entire sentence. This is a critical issue. Let's take the entire sentence. What is the entire sentence? So we see this is the entire sentence, a distinct vantage point, but we are not seeing the entire sentence here. This is the reason. Here is a lot of margin. They are using in mobile device, margin auto, and then see this is visible. So now the entire text are visible, but it was like this. Like this, you can visit this page, and he couldn't find the entire sentence, I think, as there was CSS error. Oh, okay. Then they keep another submenu here, but there is no close button after opening the menu. Okay, here I'm seeing a lot of space in that top. Anyway, and here I'm seeing a lot of space also. Okay, so maybe these are something, maybe these are hover effect or something like this, but there is no space here in the top. The search section must have any space in the top before mistakes. Let's keep a space here. This kind of space will make it nicer. Okay, and here I'm seeing also a lot of unnecessary space here. We don't keep much more space in the mobile device, as mobile device is so small, so we can reduce the small space like this. We can keep here this kind of space, and in this gray section there is also a lot of space, so we can keep space like this, and then still there is a lot of space I'm seeing. This website use unnecessary space. Maybe they can use space like this. This is enough. And also I'm seeing this image is alien from here, but the text is here. Text uses another padding here, so this is a lot of space, but the body text is there from and using this kind of spacing. We can also reduce this space. Anyway, let's reduce this space first. So we must reduce this space, and so it is alien like this, and this is also we need to reduce this space. Maybe they need to fix a lot of things for this website. I'm saying there is a lot of space. In mobile device, we don't need this kind of large space. Like we can use, let me customize this way, padding from the main CSS, padding right here, 15 pixel is enough, and padding left here, 15 pixel is enough. So we can use this kind of padding, or also we can reduce. Anyway, then let's see, here is another lot of space, and the text is so, line height is so small. Text line height must be greater in this section. Font size, and they don't have any line height. You can use this kind of line height, or you can reduce the font size for this section, and this kind of text like this, or you can keep this kind of height. Okay, here there is another lot of space. This website need to polish correctly in mobile device, then it will make this website very nicer, I think. So here you can see these texts are not visible, so these text colors are white. In mobile device they can change the text color to something like black or any color they wish. There is space unnecessary, I think. So this text is also not visible, so they must change this text color in mobile device like this. Then here you can see the button color, learn more, is not visible, so they can change the button color button text color like this, or any color like this. Anyway, then you see these texts are also not visible, so they need to change much more things in mobile device for this website to look very nice. I think these are not visible. Then this text color, as we have changed it, then it is showing this like this. It was white in like this maybe, and we have changed this. Then if see, there is a lot of space, white space here, so they must reduce the space. Here is also, and then here is also a lot of space, so they can keep a back to top button here, so that we can scroll to top. If we refresh the page, you can see it will show from the server side. Is server side is telling, if see this button, text, and button, and these are not visible. You see this button and text, here is button, text, these are not visible correctly. So they fix this issue to make this website responsive and much more professional. I think there is a lot of space, and there is no space in the top of this section. This is the original style. I'm coming from the server side, of this website, and this text is entirely not visible. So we may find few issues if we review few other pages of this website, but till now we have visited this one page only. This is the page.